Hey guys, we now have roster version 2, a cleaner, faster experience with an improved UI and new features designed to help you stay on top of your goals. Let's quickly go through it. Once you log in, you land on the Today page. This is where you'll spend most of your time. By default, you'll see 3 empty goal slots. We recommend adding at least 2 goals daily. That's why the first 2 slots can be deleted. It's by design. To add a goal, just type and press enter. You'll see a saved confirmation, which means it's stored in the database. You can also add tags to categorize your goals. Click on Add Tag, and you'll see a list of all the tags you already have below the goal. Select one from the list, and it will be added. If you don't select anything, nothing will be added. If you're new to roster, you might be wondering where these tags are coming from. We'll discuss that shortly, or you can check our previous video for a detailed explanation. You also have the option to move a goal to backlog. If you feel like you can't complete it today, you can move it and complete it later. And once a goal is completed, make sure to check it so the app can track your progress. Now let's check the new menu, which has been redesigned. Once you click on the avatar, you can see the menu. All the navbar options are now moved inside this menu to keep the main UI more compact, clean, and distraction-free. If you want to switch between dates, we now have a new option. Earlier, you could use the arrow buttons on top to go to previous dates. Now, you can also click on the date itself to open a calendar. From there, you can select any date and quickly jump to it to check the goals you had on that day. In the Backlog tab, here you can save goals that you want to complete later, not today. You can use the Move to Today option to bring any goal back in one click. You can now also add tags to your backlog items to organize them better. There's also a filter option in case you want to view backlogs for a specific category. To add a backlog item, simply type here and press enter or click the add button. Next is loop. This is for recurring goals. You can set the frequency and the goals will be added automatically on those days. We already discussed this in the last video, so nothing new here. But now we have another feature, reminder. It's similar to loop, but for one-time tasks. Tasks added in reminder will be added automatically on your task list as per the set date. In the future, this may be merged with loop, but for now, they're separate. Now let's check the progress tab. This is mainly the analytics section where you can see your yearly progress. Below that, we have tags, which we saw earlier. This section has been redesigned. You can add your tags here. I already have some added, so they're visible. For new accounts, this will be empty and you'll need to create them first. To add a tag, just type the name and press enter. You'll get a confirmation that it's created. Then you can customize it by adding a color and an icon. It supports only SVG icons. Once added, these tags will be available for your tasks and backlog. These are the main functions of the app. Now let's check some new features and customization options. At the top, you'll see the Edit Profile option. Here you can change your avatar, either choose from existing ones or upload your own. Also, you can update your name. There's also an option to change your password. Next is Export Data. You can export all your data anytime in the available formats. Then we have Documentation. Refer to this if you want to understand any feature in detail. And Support, if you need any help. After that, we have the Theme Switcher. You can toggle between light and dark mode. This was one of the most requested features. And finally, Focus Mode, another requested feature. It's basically a lo-fi music player that helps you focus while working on your goals. We've added a small animation here to give it a calm feel. You can adjust the volume, play, or pause the music, and also shuffle between random tracks. That's roster version 2 for now. In the future, the UI might change, but the features will mostly remain the same. If you have any feedback, I would love to hear it. Thanks for using Roster.